Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about the strings in Java, okay? So let's start by talking about strings. So strings are a very useful data type. We use it to work with text, okay? So everything that you guys see here, let's say using the system.io dot print ln hello world. As you guys can see here, this is a string, okay? So this is a string, and we use them to work with text usually. So to create a string, you need to put it between double quotes. As I said before, between single quotes, we put characters, and in a character can only store one item at a time. So if we put here A, let's see if this is gonna work, and it did work. If I put B here, it shouldn't work because this is a character, and that character can only stores one value. So you guys can see here. So let's create a string. To create a string, it's very simple. Just use the string object or the string class, the primitive data type, and let's give it a name. Let's say name. You guys need to remember to give it simple names, okay, and rememberable names such as name. So let's say random, okay, and we can now print the value of this object, print ln name. So this is how it works. This is very useful because it has this object string has a lot of methods in which we're going to talk about in the future, okay? So but just for now, just keep in mind that this is used a lot. You guys will use this a lot when working with text. So one of the things that I said before is that you guys need to take care of creating this object. So for instance, I said that you cannot do this, let's say 5 name, okay? This is not valid. Name 5 is, okay? Actually, it is valid. Okay, let's print here random. But you cannot use special symbols here. Don't do that. And you need to give it remember names. So let's say I have a username. If I'm creating a website and I need a string which will hold the username, I could do this, okay? If I do this, I'm saying that the value of username is empty. It could also be null, but we'll talk about this later, okay? So you guys can see here, we don't see a thing. So thank you guys for watching this video. Next video, we're going to talk about the methods of the string class, okay? So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.